Hello guys, today we're going to be unboxing three three Razer products. The Strider Chroma, the Mousedock Pro, and the Ballistics V3 Pro. First we're going to unbox the mouse pad. We'll open it up. Okay, we get the cable. And we take out this thing. Okay, there's an instruction manual, the sticker sheet. And now we can take out the mouse pad. The actual mouse pad has a little insert on the inside, so we'll take that out, move that out of the way. And it's strapped in with tape. So we'll do the satisfying peel. Oh, not as satisfying as I thought. And we're gonna do the kind of satisfying peel at this edge. Okay, let's call those. So here's the full mouse pad. It is, the size of it is big. It's about a table width. And it's 90 centimeters by 37 centimeters. It's big, it's enough to fit a keyboard and mouse. And you can connect it using USB to be able to connect it to your computer and use Razer Chroma RGB to control it. Next, we're going to be unboxing this mouse, the Ballistics V3. We're going to cut. So now we take off the tape. Okay. I don't like how it ruins the box, but okay. So inside we have the actual mouse itself, the satisfying peel, and then when we lift it up, we get the little mouse. We get this little mouse dock. You can plug this little USB dock. You can plug it in, and then you can have a cable out, so a USB-C. And then if you lift up this, then on the inside, you can open it up. You get an instruction manual, and a cable. It's basically the same type of cable as the mouse pad. Okay. We put all of this back in. And now we'll get on with the last thing, the mouse dock. The mouse dock is a wireless charging dock for the mouse. So you could cut or peel. I choose peel. Okay, now that we've peeled it off, we can lift the flap off. We can lift the box up, apparently. Or how do you do this? Apparently doesn't want to go, so there you go. You take out the flap, you open it up, and inside you have an instruction manual, another cable, and the actual mouse dock. You open it up, it is connected in, and there you go. There you have it, the actual mouse dock. It also includes the little magnetic charging puck, which you can unscrew, which you can add by pressing down and then twisting it. And there you go. Now here you can put in your USB and you can attach your magnetic puck. When you attach it, you put it in the correct way, you spin it, And now it's in. And now it magnetically attaches to the charging stand. Then we peel off this to make sure it doesn't move. Okay. So now we can plug this all in. We can put the USB on the inside of the mouse. And now it could charge. Now we'll peel off all the plastic. We'll throw it at all the trash. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.